Taopianized math and history, and we're going to be understanding how to read an equation that represents a slope. So in the last video, we have been taking a look at how to graph and turn the plots into a slope. But we also have an equation that looks like this. Y equals mx plus b. And this equation can represent what a slope is. So, there are a few steps to understanding what a slope is. The starting line, or the y-intercept, the slope of the equation, and your overall answer. Let's start with the y-intercept, because that is the starting line. That's the place where the slope starts. Then it starts racing down the line. But why is it called the y-intercept? Because if you take a look at a graph, on this graph, the line strikes through the y-axis. And right now, it starts at 0. So the starting line is 0 on the y-axis. That's why it's called a y-intercept, because it intercepts and strikes through the y-axis. That's why it's called a y-intercept. We can also take a look at what the slope is. What does mx mean? Well, the letter m actually means the slope. Mx can also mean the slope, because when you're working with slope, the formula is rise divided by run, or we can say y divided by x. But why do we say rise divided by run? The reason is when you're going up a slope, you rise, but you also run. Or if you want to look at it another way, so let's say that Mario starts over here. He wants to get up those stairs, but when we're doing a slope, the reason why it's rise over run is because he has to jump, then run. So rise, run, rise, run, and again, and again, and again. So that's why it's rise over run. But why are there two letters that represent one thing? The reason is, if we write an equation in number form of y equals mx plus b, then we'll understand what it is. So 0 is the starting position. 3x is actually the slope, because you use the number 3 as to move upward 3 spaces. Then x is how many times you have to run until you rise up another 3 spaces. So it's kind of stairs like that. It's sort of like stairs. And in the Super Mario example, Mario was climbing 3 blocks and he ran 1. Then 3 again, and ran 1 again. And when you connect all the points of the steps, you'll be able to get a slope, which is a straight line. Let's do an example. So we're going to show Super Mario again, and we're going to see Mario climb different types of steps, resembling a different type of slope. Type in the comments below what the slope is and what the equation is. The y-intercept, or the starting line will be at 0. What you'll have to figure out is how much he rises and how much he runs in this example. What was the slope? The slope was rise 3, run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then rise 3 again. Then rise 5 again. Rise 3, run 5. And again and again. So, with that slope, our answer is going to be y equals 3 over 5x plus 0. The reason why we use the fraction is in the old equation, 3x is rise 3, run 1. X is usually preferred as 1. But if we have a fraction, running by 5 actually tells you how many spaces you have to run until you rise up again. So we had to run 5 times every turn. So that fraction actually changes how long you can run for. So this is our answer. Y equals 3 over 5x plus 0. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching Taoping Airlines Math Industry. Like and subscribe.